Good morning to all. Today we see the lecture number first of AGH 111 is the introduction of Indian agriculture heritage and needs and importance for studying the agriculture heritage. So first we see the introduction. In that first, our heritage is unique than any other civilization. As a citizen of India, we must feel proud about our rich cultural heritage. Then agriculture in India is not of a recent origin but has a long history dating back to the Neolithic age of 7500 to 4000 BC. It changed the lifestyle of early man from a nomadic hunter of wild berries and roots to cultivator of land. Then agriculture is benefited from the wisdom and teaching of the great saints. Then the wisdom gains and practices adopted have been passed down through the generations. Then the traditional farmers have developed the natural friendly then farming system and practices such as mixed farming, mixed cropping, and crop rotation. Then the great epic of ancient India convey the depth of knowledge possessed by the older generation of the farmers of India. Then introduction of Indian agriculture heritage and needs and importance for studying the agriculture heritage. So first we see the what is the history. So history is the continuous records of past events and heritage is the inherited values carried from one generation to other generations. Then so agriculture heritage is the values and traditional practices adopted in ancient India which are more relevant for the present day system. So history denotes the continuous record of past events, whereas the heritage indicates the inherited value carried from one generation to other generation. And the agriculture heritage denotes the values and traditional practices adopted in ancient India, which are more relevant for the present day system. Then next we see the needs and importance for studying the agriculture heritage. So what are the needs for studying the agriculture heritage? So first one is the our agriculture has a lot of inherited sustainable practices passed from one generation to other generations. And also agriculture in India is not an occupation, it is a way of life for many Indian population. Hence the present day generation should be aware about our ancient and traditional agriculture system and practices. His will enable us to build the future research strategy also. India has made tremendous progress in agriculture and its allied field, but the emphasis on intensive use of inputs without considering their adverse impact of long term basis has created a several problems related to the sustainability of agriculture. Then irrational use of chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and exploration of natural resources is threatening the agroecosystem. Then soil is getting the impoverished water and air getting polluted, and there is an increasing the erosion of plant and animal genetic resources. Therefore, attention is now shifting to the sustainable form of agriculture. Then the indigenous technological knowledge provide the insight into the sustainable agriculture because these innovations have been carried on from one generation to the another as a family technology. There are several examples of valuable traditional technologies in India, but unfortunately, these small local systems are dying out. So, it is imperative that we collect the documents and analyze these technologies so that the scientific principle basis behind them could be properly understood. Once this done, it will be easier for us to further refine and upgrade them by blending them with the modern scientific technology. Thank you.